Hello everybody, Lord Almighty here. Today is Monday, August 13th, 2018, and anyone who's been following the channel recently and who's been keeping in touch with what the weather's been doing here today in the Northeast pretty much knows what I'm going to be doing today. I'm hitting up some drain pipes since we had a lot of big storms roll through early this morning, just dumping inches and inches of rain all through New Jersey and other parts of the Northeast. So let's get going. No need to explain any further. You guys know what this is all about. There we go. All right. They are on the pipes. Alright, not bad, maybe a pound or so. There we go. Oh, alright, another one. Another one off of the exact same pipe, almost in the exact same spot. Didn't even feel him pick it up. I just started reeling and felt something that shouldn't have been there. Whoa. What the hell was that? I hope that was a bass. It kind of looked like one. Here we go. All right. Fish number 3 off of this pipe. He's not long. He's pretty chunky though. He might be close to a pound. All right. Well, this spot has gone cold. It's been several minutes with no bites. Plus, about 3 or 4 is the maximum I can expect to catch off of one single pipe. So I'm gonna pack up here and move to the next one. All right. Here we go. Spot number 2. Alright, well, I gave this spot about 10 minutes and not one single bite. This spot's actually looking really blown out. It's definitely a couple feet high, real muddy. Kind of makes sense that there's nothing biting here. I think the fish are kind of hunkered down waiting for the water to clear up a bit. This might be a good spot to hit tomorrow, but right now I think I'm going to have to move on. Alright guys, here we are at spot number 3. I think this is going to be the last stop on tonight's Magical Mystery Tour because it's starting to get a little thin on daylight. Here we go. Oh, he's off. Wow. That was like a 2-pounder, 2.5-pounder. Right in there. I didn't get a good hook set on him either. I didn't know he was a fish. I thought he was just like a clump of weeds or something. Alright, well, there's fish around. That at least is a good sign. Okay guys, well, I would actually really love to keep fishing, but time is not on my side, so it's time to wrap it up for the evening. So the first drain pipe I went to got 3 bass off it, and then the 5 or 6 other drain pipes I fished after that yielded a total of 1 bite. So was the pattern working today? I'm not 100% sure, but since I did catch a few decent bass, I'm not going to ask too many questions. So thank you all so much for joining me this evening, and I will see you on the next adventure.